And good morning and welcome to the VSA Capital 5 Minute Morning Miner. It's Friday, May the 20th. It's the end of the week. I think everybody's ready for the end of the week. It's been quite a tough week, hasn't it, Paul?
It is the end of the week. It has been tougher for the markets too.
Yeah, I have a little bit of respite today. Markets up a little bit, but I'm going to go now. Fly down to Cornwall tonight, fly back on Eastern Airways, the new airline flying us Newquay Airport from Gatwick. Anyway, let's head into mining, Paul. What you got this morning?
Oh, we have an awful lot of fundraisers that are being announced by various firms. Most of them are Canadian, but right across the different exchanges and so forth. Common denominator on these things, they seem to be either well-established explorers or near producing or producing companies, or otherwise they have received or receiving the backing of a key institutional investor. So that's promising there that we still see some fundings going, but it's the early stage or project generator type explorers that the small retail investors like. They're just not getting much support at this point.
The begging bowls are going left empty.
Yes, that's the way I put it.
Yeah. All right. Cornish Metals have approved the fundraise where Sir Mick Davis and Vision Blue are putting in their money. No surprise there. They'd be idiots not to. Bit of news out on Yellow Cake, I think. That's one that's quite a lot of people are starting to get interested in. What's that, Paul?
Yes, Yellow Cake has taken delivery of 2 million pounds of Yellow Cake uranium concentrate from Kazatomprom at the Cameco storage facility in Canada. That was due to the exercise of a buyback option. So that Yellow Cake now holds about 17.5 million pounds in storage in Canada and France. So that essentially they are still taking in that those concentrates here to play the market price of uranium, which unfortunately was down about $4.50 in the last week or so.
Yeah, well, I think was it yesterday? I forget which day it was nowadays, but I'm getting old. But we were saying that commodity prices probably are going to come off a little bit over the summer, just because consumer demand is going to drop away across the globe because of this squeeze. Okay, what else do you want to comment on this morning?
We got Q1
mentioned, didn't you?
Yeah, Q1 operations update from the Kenyan gold producer and London quoted Caracal Gold. They've got their pilot heap leach pad of 5,000 tons now in operation, with the leaching now underway. And so far, the metallurgical testing of the fluids coming off is coming out according to results as far as recovery rates is concerned. So that's looking promising at this point. They've done about 871 meters of diamond drilling and 3,400 meters of RC drilling in Q1 here on the Kalima Pesa Hill deposit, or veins, I should say, in that ore body zone. And they've appointed some new staff and key managers, as well as two new directors to the firm. They also talk about they're still trying to get underway here with getting the Nairobi Stock Exchange listing for the company as well, with the assistance or consent and support of the Kenyan government in order to be appointed there. So, and they have managed to raise some money, about 2 million capital in sterling in recent weeks as well, in order to keep things supported.
Yeah, the dual listing on the Nairobi Stock Exchange being done with Faida Investments, which is a joint venture partner, of course, of VSA Capital. Well done then. What else, Paul? We got Alta Strategies, maybe worth mentioning?
Alta Strategies, yes, that is the African Explorer and Royalty Company, which is listed on AIM. They have entered into a sale and purchase agreement with Alpha Stream Capital for a 30% interest in a portfolio of royalties, of 23 of them held in Australia, which had been accumulated by Newcrest Mining over time. And as a result, it rebalances the portfolio so that Altus will take the US $5.25 million dollars that they're getting in this rebalancing in order to acquire more portfolio royalties elsewhere.
Very good. Anything else you want to mention?
Only to say that we do have London 1-to-1 coming up first thing next week on Monday, which will be very well attended, I'm sure, and I'll be spending much of my time there in the next 2 days.
We want to hear all your top tips, Paul. Please.
Okay,
very good. Enjoy the weekend. Everybody listening, enjoy the weekend. We'll be back on Monday.
Very good. Thanks.